We got the Bullhead crew here.
Brylan taking off with the plane.
All right, everybody smile. All right.
Day at the beach.
Okay, now.
One day.
Okay. Joker.
Oh, we got fire. Wow, look at that.
Choke.
Get her done. Here we go.
Oh,
That's
stop.
gonna fly up.
That's going to go right in the prop.
You're right. It's
Let's
hot,
go.
so-
Yeah, buddy. All right. Hey, Chuck, what kind of plane is it?
Decathlon 122-inch from Pilot RC.
All right.
Hey, we need to see your FFA license. Your FAA license, please. Gotta go fetch it. Only kid who wants to win it.
Coming over, coming over.
Hey, Chuck. He's gonna make it for you.
Hey, look at the wings are actually down a little bit. You notice that? Hey, smoking me out. He's got a smoke system on this.
Oh, it's got smoke.
Yep. Chuck's one of our best pilots. This guy's got a bunch of big stuff, man. Let her rip. Whoa, dude, chill out there.
Well, it's should be.
That's full throttle?
Can you turn that smoke off? That might be.
Well, I thought it was off.
We got a guy landing. Back up, guys. Smoke is off. Looks to be doing a lot better now.
Like that one, that one, that one.
That engine is brand new, right?
Yeah, brand spanking new.
Well, that's what it just needs to break in. Boy, that thing will soar. It's got a garage door for a wing.
Barn door.
A barn door. It looks like it's crabbing to the left.
Yeah, you started like talking like.
Did that just come on its own? Oh. It definitely dies down a little bit when you do that. That's flying good. Still crabbing to the left though.
Well, there's a little bit of wind.
You can see it trying to climb when you turn.
Yeah. Now you can see how the smoke drifts.
Marty standing there with the oh, full of those guys. Oh, at like Reno? Oh. You got it. It's all yours. They still had a Mustang. They had the slow pictures, you know, like rolling and sitting there getting to the ground.
Nice.
Alright, one night.
What size you got in there?
70. Ah, nice.
Fuck yeah. Good job, Chuck. Oh, wow.
Feeling the covering.
Oh, nice.
Brand new airplane.
That's the spar test there. It failed.
Send us a new one. We forgive you. Look how big that damn thing is.
122 inch.
122 inch. Look at that. Jesus. It looks so small on camera. It looks huge in real life.
Well, that's about half a tank.
Ready, kids?